What's up, everyone? Electronics Search here. I'm hearing a smoke detector going off again down here. Over here, it's just ridiculous in the wall. Why? I was really about to go to bed, but then I just heard something chirping. At first, I thought it was just some kind of random sound, but then it happened again, and then again. Yeah, that one's at 0. I recently replaced the batteries in that one because it was chirping or beeping. Here, hold on. Not hearing anything. Nothing's beeping now. Bro, what the heck? Nothing's beeping. Nothing's beeping no more. Wonder if it is at I-90/60 up there. What the heck? They're silent. Here, let me test it. The heck? It's fine. It's fine. What the heck? Who was beeping? You heard that beep when I entered the basement. And I heard it more in this area as soon as I came down. Yeah, I just saw that thing flash. I just looked up. Okay, put that back on the set and let me get out of my way. I don't see a problem. Nothing's beeping anymore. I don't know what the heck that was about then. Nothing's beeping anymore. As soon as I entered, it really just stopped. It's not the FireX and it's not the one link. One link would probably interconnect with... Wait, no, why would the one... It said 100% in the app. Plus, the one link doesn't even sound like that. It has a speaker. It doesn't have a piezo. That thing sounds more like the beep that I heard. Yeah, excuse me. And I was right up here in this floor. I mean, like, literally right up here, not over there. So, yeah, it's somewhere in the wall again. But it's not making any beeps now. Oh, whatever. I'll just check it in the morning. Because then it just stops. This thing could be close to expiration, but it's not expired just yet. Let me test it. Yeah, this one's fine as well. Oh well, short Eureka video. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, and goodbye.